Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Revitalize your lawn with a tool that removes dead grass, improves airflow, and boosts healthy growth fast. Best Dethatching Rake delivers durable steel tines, comfortable grip, and efficient thatch removal for greener, thicker turf in every season with ease today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Garten Dethatching Rake Review. The Garten Dethatching Rake is a compact yet highly efficient tool designed for homeowners who want precise moss and thatch removal without overworking their lawn. As part of the well-known multi-chain system, this rake stands out for its modular flexibility, allowing users to attach it to compatible handles for customized comfort and control. The 30-centimeter working width makes it ideal for small to medium lawns, tight spaces, and detailed dethatching work where accuracy matters more than speed. Its swing head design allows the tines to follow the natural contours of the ground, ensuring consistent contact with the soil and more effective removal of moss and dead grass. Build quality is a strong point for this rake. Garten is known for durable garden tools, and this model delivers with solid construction that feels reliable during repeated use. The rake is especially effective for seasonal lawn maintenance, helping improve airflow, water absorption, and nutrient penetration by removing compacted thatch layers. Because it is not overly aggressive, it minimizes damage to healthy grass, making it a good choice for users who prefer controlled dethatching rather than heavy tearing. Number 2. Walensee Yard Dethatching Rake Review. The Walensee Yard Dethatching Rake is designed with efficiency and user comfort in mind, making it a standout option for homeowners dealing with large lawns or heavy thatch buildup. Unlike traditional manual dethatching rakes, this model features sturdy wheels that significantly reduce resistance, allowing the tool to glide smoothly across various terrains. This rolling design minimizes fatigue and makes dethatching feel more like pushing a lawn tool rather than dragging a rake, which is a major advantage for extended use. One of the most impressive aspects of this dethatcher is its premium 2mm one-piece stainless steel blade. Laser cut from a single sheet and coated with zinc for rust resistance, the blade is exceptionally strong and durable. It resists bending and damage even in damp, moss-heavy conditions, ensuring long-term performance. The adjustable blade angle and depth provide excellent versatility, allowing users to tailor the tool for light surface raking or deeper thatch removal depending on lawn condition.
Number 3. CRAFTSMAN Dethatching Rake Set Review. The CRAFTSMAN Dethatching Rake Set offers a versatile two-tool solution for comprehensive lawn care and garden maintenance. This set includes both a traditional lawn rake and a dedicated thatching rake, making it ideal for homeowners who want flexibility without purchasing multiple separate tools. Each rake features a hardwood handle with a cushioned, non-slip end grip, providing a comfortable and classic feel that many gardeners appreciate. The lawn rake, equipped with 22 flexible steel tines, excels at clearing loose debris such as leaves, grass clippings, and surface thatch. It is gentle enough for routine cleanup while still being effective at maintaining a neat lawn. The thatching rake, on the other hand, is built for more demanding tasks. Its straight steel teeth are designed to pull up embedded thatch, while the curved teeth help cultivate soil and loosen compacted areas, promoting healthier root growth. Durability is a key strength of this set. The solid wood handles and steel tines are built to withstand regular use, and the overall balance of the tools makes them easy to control.
Number 4. cogardenshower Dead Dethatching Rake Review. The cogardenshower Dead Dethatching Rake is a heavy-duty, multi-function tool designed for aggressive thatch removal and complete lawn revitalization. Featuring a wide 15-inch rake head with 19 closely spaced sharp steel tines, this tool pulls out dense thatch, moss, dead grass, and even stubborn weed roots with impressive efficiency. The tight tine spacing reduces clogging and allows users to clear more debris in fewer passes, saving both time and effort. A standout feature is its dual-action reversible head. One side uses winged, sharp tines for deep dethatching and weed removal, while the opposite side features curved tines for surface raking, debris clearing, and soil leveling. This versatility makes it a true all-in-one lawn and garden tool. The adjustable head angle further enhances usability, allowing users to switch between deep penetration and gentle skimming depending on the task and terrain.
Built from thick carbon steel with a rust-resistant coating, the rake is designed to withstand heavy use without bending or loosening. The long, adjustable handle supports upright working posture, reducing back strain and fatigue.
Number 5. Yofidra Dead Dethatching Rake Review. The Yofidra Dead Dethatching Rake is a solid, well-engineered tool aimed at homeowners who want durability, adjustability, and reliable dethatching performance. Constructed from premium carbon steel with an anti-rust powder coating, the rake head features a thick 3mm design that resists bending, deformation, and tooth breakage even during tough jobs. This makes it suitable for removing thatch, weeds, gravel, and construction debris, as well as preparing soil for seeding. The 19-tine rake head is designed to penetrate beneath the lawn surface, effectively pulling out dead grass and organic buildup while lightly loosening topsoil. This dual action improves drainage and aeration, supporting healthier grass growth over time. The adjustable head angle on both sides allows users to customize the rake's aggressiveness based on the task, whether deep dethatching or lighter surface work. Upgrade your lawn care routine with a reliable dethatching rake that restores vitality and improves soil breathing. With consistent use, your grass grows thicker, greener, and healthier. Choose a tool built for durability and comfort, and enjoy professional-level results in your own yard.